Hi everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of keeps logging on the application of NFL. You will go to settings like this here. In this page you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. On above you will search about NFL and you can click. Here in this page of app info you will click on first stop and you can click OK. After that you will enter to the window of storage. Here you will click on clear cache, but pay attention, don't click clear data because that can delete your account. In the end you can turn off your phone and you can restart your phone, so please don't forget to support